Can you use GameStop gift card on Xbox? Today we will be talking about if you can use GameStop gift card on Xbox. Well, the process is pretty simple. First of all, we will talk about which type of gift card you have. If you have an Xbox gift card that you bought from, GameStop, or if you have an actual GameStop gift card. Now, if you have an Xbox gift card, it will look something like that. Or if you have a GameStop gift card, which will look like that. So let me just show you how a GameStop gift card looks. Now, if you do have a GameStop gift card, what you have to do is you just have to visit any of the GameStop near you and you will easily be able to buy other gift cards with these funds. However, if you have an Xbox gift card, I'm going to tell you how to redeem that as well. Well, in order to redeem it, you just need to follow these instructions. First things first, press the Xbox button to open the guide. Then choose the store. After choosing the store, press the view button to access the side menu. Then select redeem. After selecting the redeem, just enter your Xbox gift card details, which should be a 24-character code. Now click next and then follow the instructions. That's how you will be able to redeem an Xbox gift card on Xbox. Hope you guys find this video helpful.